Introducing the brand new Milesight BACnet driver, a license-free tool for seamless integration of Milesight LoRaWAN gateways with Niagara BMS platforms. Many buildings are adopting LoRaWAN sensors, but integrating them with Niagara-based BMS can be costly and complex, requiring multiple tools and deep technical expertise. With Milesight BACnet driver, configuring gateways and sensors within the Niagara BMS system is simple and efficient. No coding, no middleware, just plug and configure. You can easily configure Milesight LoRaWAN gateways and sensors within Niagara BMS system with just a few clicks. No coding needed. With BACnet driver, you can also enjoy scalable integration to expand your system as your needs grow. Adding new devices takes minimal effort. Enjoy the full power at zero extra cost. The Milesight BACnet driver is completely license-free. Built-in robust encryption and authentication ensure your data stays secure. Get real-time insights into building performance, optimize operations, and reduce maintenance costs. Getting started couldn't be easier. Just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Power on the gateway. Connect it to the LAN. Download the driver package to Niagara Workbench and load it. Step 2. Create the Milesight network and add your Milesight LoRaWAN gateway. Or directly connect it to an existing BACnet network. Then, configure the network and API settings. Step 3. Add Milesight node devices and save their BACnet points. Step 4. Complete integration and configuration. Manage device data and create applications in the Niagara framework. From IQ monitoring to energy management, bring wireless intelligence to every corner of your building. Download the Milesight BACnet driver for free and start your smart building journey now.